Good morning students. Today chapter first number system and topic is irrational number. The number which cannot be expressed in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integer and q is not equals to 0 are called the irrational number. Okay, जो नंबर जिन नंबर्स को हम p upon q की फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते वो हमारे नंबर क्या होते हैं? इरेशनल नंबर. Where p and q are the integer, means p और q हमारे क्या होंगे? इंटीजर्स. बट q is not equals to 0, q हमारा 0 नहीं हो सकता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रूट 2, रूट 3, रूट 5 and so on number and 0.01, 011, 0111, 0111 and so on. Means every root number they have not perfect square is the irrational number, and this number is non-terminating, non-repeating is the irrational number. Question: represent root 2 on the number line. रूट्स वाले नंबर को हम नंबर लाइन पर किस तरह रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? ओके, मीन्स वी टेक द नंबर लाइन 0, 1 and -1. The L line is the number line. Okay, means O is the represent of 0 and A is the represent of 1. AO equals to 1 unit. AO equals to 1 unit. And AB, we take the AB is the perpendicular to OA. Means A point A पर हमें क्या बनाना है? परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है. AB is the perpendicular to OA and AB is the 1. Take AB equals to 1 unit. We cut an arc at point A. We cut an arc with help of the compass at point A. Clear? Is the indicator of the B. AB equals to 1 unit. Means A point से हमें 1 यूनिट का क्या लगाना है? आर्क लगाना है and indicate to B and join to OB. Join to OB. With the help of compass, we measure the OB and cut an arc of the number line. Means आपको कंपास से AO को OB को मेजर करना है. कंपास की नोक को O पर रखें और कंपास को मेजर करने के बाद आपको इस तरह डॉट 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 से आके आपको कट लगाना है. किस पर? नंबर लाइन पर. द रिप्रेजेंट ऑफ द C. OB is the represent of the root 2 and OC is also the represent of the root 2. Means we take the number line L and indicate the point O, 0, 1 and -1. O is the represent of the 0 and A is the represent of the 1. Take AB is the perpendicular to OA. A point पर 90 डिग्री परपेंडिकुलर हमें ड्रॉ करना है and AB is the 1 unit. We cut an arc 1 centimeter. Okay, and indicate to B. Join to OB and with the help of compass we measure the OB and cut an arc. We measure the OB is the radius and cut an arc of the number line and cut OC. OC is the represent of the root 2 and OB is the represent of the root 2. Now OB equals to OC equals to root 2 unit. Clear? Now इसका प्रूफ हम यदि करें तो ट्राइंगल OAB. OAB is triangle, the right angle triangle. Angle A equals to 90 degree. You know that we prove the Pythagoras theorem. In the Pythagoras theorem, OB square equals to OA square plus AB square by Pythagoras theorem. OA 1 unit, OB 1 unit, means 1 plus 1 OB equals to root 2. Okay, is the point C. OC is the indicate of the root 2. Is the number line. The next question, root 3 on the number line. Draw a horizontal line N. Take the point of the 0 initial point 1 and minus 1. रूट 3 को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए मुझे पहले रूट 2 को रिप्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद हम रूट 3 को नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. रूट 2 को सेम सिमिलरली द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन वी पुट द रूट 2 इन ऑन द नंबर लाइन. वी टेक O point is the indicate of the 0 and A point indicate of the 1. AO equals to 1 unit. And AOA, AB perpendicular to AOA, perpendicular to AO. A point पर 90 डिग्री हमने एंगल ड्रॉ करा and AB is the 1 unit. AB equals to 1 unit. We cut an arc at point A. Equals to, at point A we cut an arc 1 unit. Indicate the point of B. Join to OB. And AOB is the right angle triangle and OB is the indicate of the root 2. OB is the indicate of the root 2 unit. At point B, we draw an angle 90 degree. At point B, we draw an angle 90 degree with help of B. Okay. Now, at point B, we cut an arc. BC is 1 unit. Means BC is the perpendicular to OB and BC equals to 1 unit. At point B, cut an arc 1 unit and join to indicate the C and join to OC. And with help of compass, we measure the OC and OC is the radius. We cut an arc on the number line P. OC equals to OP, represent of the root 3 units. कंपास की नोक को ऊपर रखकर OC को रेडियस मानकर इस तरह हम आर्क को घुमाकर यहाँ क्या लगाएंगे, कट लगाएंगे. मीन OP is the on the number line and OP is the indicate of the root 3. Okay. Now take the proof. Triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. Angle A equals to 90 degree. By the Pythagoras theorem, OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. OA take the 1 unit. AB take the 1 unit. OB square equals to 1 plus 1 means OB equals to root 2 unit. Okay. And now again triangle OBC is a right angle triangle at angle B equals to 90 degree. Means OC square equals to OB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. OB square equals to root 2. OB square root 2 and BC square 1 unit means OC equals to 2 plus 1. OC square equals to 2 plus 1 and OC equals to root 3 unit. Okay, that is the proof. And we represent root 3. Every root number is represented on the number line. Okay, students.